Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew, I am an automation advisor. In this tutorial, I will show you how easy it is to automate file transfers in Windows using Fabati Automation Workshop. We will monitor a folder for new files, and as soon as they appear, we will move them to a backup folder. The file transfer process is fully automatic. Once configured, the Automation Workshop app will do all the work in a fully unattended manner. Click on the New Task button. Creating a new task is easy. Just follow the simple steps from the wizard. Let's add a trigger. We will use the File Watcher trigger to monitor a folder. Automation Workshop also supports triggers for FTP and cloud storages. Click OK to add this trigger to our task. Choose a folder you want to monitor. Open this computer. Go to the C drive. As an example, I will choose the Reports folder. The trigger is ready. Now let's click Next to start configuring a workflow. The workflow consists of actions, basic building blocks of your automated task. Click Add. And choose the Move File action from the File and Folder category. We need to tell the app to use the newly discovered file as a source file. To do this, click the Variable Wizard button and choose the folder watcher we added earlier. Click OK. Now, we have a source folder set up. Click on the destination folder and choose the Browse button. As a destination folder, I will choose a backup folder on the D drive. If we leave this as is, the newly discovered files will be moved to the backup folder automatically, but let us enhance the output folder to have a nicely named folder for each of the month day. Click the Variable Wizard button again. Open the Date and Time category. And select Date to make a folder name out of today's date. Automation Workshop offers a date that is separated by // by default, but we want to use the date in a file name, so just change the separator to the dash character. Also, to make the folders automatically sortable by their age, let's choose the format year, month, day. And finally, choose to add a leading 0, so all our dates look aligned. Click OK to add this dynamic date to the destination folder. Also, I will add a / character at the end of the string to indicate that it is a folder. You can create a folder structure that is multiple levels deep or includes today's time. Consult our website for more information. Find a link to this tutorial in the description under this video. Click OK to add the Move File action to our task. I will leave all the settings unchanged. You can always change them later. As a last step, give the task a meaningful name. Click Finish. The task is up and running. As soon as new files appear in the monitored location, the files are moved to a folder with the current date in its name. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration required, and it takes only a minute. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.